In order to transfer the money from Cash App to Apple Pay, you need to first integrate your Cash App with the Apple Pay account. Here's how you can do that step by step. Step 1 is that you need to make sure that your device is first ready to receive the funds. For that, you need to first open your iPhone settings, go to the wallet and Apple Pay, and within that you need to make sure that this Apple Cash toggle switch is active. Once done, move to the step 2. Here you need to open the Cash App and verify the amount that you want to transfer is available in your Cash App. Next, staying on the Cash App, you need to click on this card icon and access the card management settings. The most important step here is that if you do not already have a cash card, you need to request that by clicking on this get cash card. By the way, this virtual card is free and it takes less than 3 minutes to activate this. So if you do not know the process, there are many videos on the YouTube. You can watch that before proceeding further, that how to get a cash card. Once you have the cash card, you need to access the card settings, and within the card settings you need to click on this add to Apple Pay in order to bridge both the systems. Next, you need to open the Apple wallet to confirm that the cash card is successfully added and is visible in your card stack. To initiate the money transfer from the Cash App to the Apple Pay, you need to remember that you need to click on this Apple Cash card and not the Cash App card. On the next screen, you need to click these 3 horizontal dots to access the management menu. Next, you need to click on the add money to initiate the transfer process. On the next screen, you need to enter the amount you wish to transfer from your Cash App balance to the Apple Pay. In my case, I've added the $10. On the next screen, do not directly hit the pay button. Rather, click on your default payment method to check the source of the fund. Here you need to click on the Cash App card from the list. This would tell the Apple to get the money, which in my case was $10, from the Cash App balance and not from somewhere else. So in the last step, you need to do the biometric verification or face ID verification. You can do that by double tapping onto the side button, and once done, your fund from the Cash App would be transferred to the Apple Pay.